Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to bookmark our WHTS channel link to live stream our videos every day. So if you pull up the email that I sent you, you will see the link to the WHTS channel. All I need you to do first is click it. It will take you to the website. And what you will do, there's a couple different ways to bookmark something. So what I do is I highlight the website, I click it, and just drag it to this bookmark bar. And what you can do is you can rename it. So if you right click and edit, you can name it WHTS, save it, and now when you open up your website, your Safari, Chrome, whatever you use, click WHTS and it'll take you directly to our page. And the live stream will pop up once it is live. Again, we go live at 7:45 every morning. So don't forget to tune in to our broadcast and let me know if you have any questions.